Gusto ko magtayo ng negosyo pero natatakot ako. Hi guys, my name is Ai and I am a small business owner and a franchisor and also a content creator. And now I am here to help you guys overcome your fear of starting a business. Ibig sabihin nasa stage ka na talaga na kailangan ko lang ng validation. Nakita ko yung video ni Ai. Ganun. Number 3, start small and take action. Pag sinimulan mo kasi yung plano mo na big agad, dun mag-start yung yung disappointments pag hindi mo na-achieve. So, start small, little by little. Simulan mo. I'm gonna share you an idea. One of my business yung pet hygiene products na pinuproduce namin. Sobrang taas nung plan namin. As in, gusto namin ganito, gusto namin ganyan. But then we realize, may nangyari na sa aming failure before. So, nagiging careful na kami. Nag-start kami as small na, okay, ito lang muna. Ito lang muna ang variety of products and one step at a time. Mas mahirap mag-take ng risk ng sobrang laki yung in-invest mo. In terms of money, mas mahirap siya. Basta, the key is to take an action. No matter how small siya, gagawan mo ng action. Malaki o maliit, gawan mo ng action. Kung napapanood mo to and you're in the situation na you're planning to start up a business, this is your sign na mag-start ka na ng business. But, like I said, make a roadmap. Plan ahead. Make a business plan. Ang paniniwala ko sa totoo lang, if ang mindset mo sa pagnenegosyo bahala na, you're not doing business. You're gambling. Okay? So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more or know more about business tips or anything na under ng aking niche, feel free to comment below, subscribe, follow my Facebook page, join my community Millennial Negosyante, and subscribe here because we millennials are the future success stories. Bye-bye!